Hello, how's it going? Hope everyone's doing good. Let's see. The music's going through. The treadmill is off. It's gotta go on. Here we go. Fuck. There we go. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's see, let's let this thing start up. Okay. Got our music going. This is kind of not what I was expecting. This is Yellow Magic Orchestra. There we go. Okay, that was like the intro song. Okay. Let's go ahead and get fucking started. To Project Shinra. Okay. Oh yeah, so I haven't done anything on this since last night. Just wherever we were. Unless I did. Actually, did I? What the hell? Wait, what? It's not? Wait, what the fuck? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. What happened? 2 hours ago. Weird. Okay. Huh. Alright, we'll just do that then. Origin Moscow. It should be Origin Master. Okay. Good. We are behind by one thing. Okay, cool. That's weird. I don't know why we lost tracking, but okay. Okay, so next stage. Let's go ahead and start cleaning this shit up. We have to do 20,000 steps today. Only 160 in. And I also need to figure out like a clean way to organize this. Right now it's kind of like jank, so everything is here, which I don't want to be the case. Let's see. Chat listeners, commands, Twitch chat, web interface. What's web interface? Nothing. Okay. Alright, let's just get rid of it. Chat listeners. Only commands and Twitch and YouTube have anything. Okay. 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 So we have to come up with a way to cleanly, like, do all this shit. What would be like the nice way of doing that? We need to be able to draw something. Let's see. Is there something like a terminal drawing app? No way. Holy shit. Whoa, draw boxes by clicking and dragging the right... No way. What the fuck? Draw file you exported? Whoa. Huh. What the hell is this? Okay. I'm kind of down. Cool. So it's, oh my god, that's so cool. No way. Okay, this is not at all what I was thinking. So you can make boxes with right clicks. Okay, so then what? Is it done? So I just press escape to exit insert mode. Wow, okay, that's very cool. Control C to exit, and you can change the colors. Oh, that's so cool. Damn, okay. So if I do that, and then, it's temp, what's it called? Draw. What the hell? Wait, what is this? Whoa. Cool. Okay, that's not exactly what I was, like, searching for, but okay, that's kind of interesting. Huh. Maybe we'll make some more use of this later. But I just need to, like, have, like, a basic, like, just a Basic paint-like program for Linux. Pinta, is that gonna work? GIMP is too much. Pinta, straightforward. Okay, Pinta, let's try that. Pinta Arch. Let's see. It's in the R. Okay. Pinta. So yeah, it's just straight Pinta. Let's get that real quick. No, don't remove. Oh, damn, okay. It's a fat program. Oh, it's .NET? Huh. Crazy. Okay. Well, anyways, that's gonna work. In the meantime, let's think about how to actually do this then. The way that would be nice, if I just had like a... Here, let's just make a new quick little note file here. Okay. So, okay. How would it be nice? So, like, I just want it to be where, like, we have different platforms. Okay? And each of that will be YouTube for now. And Twitch. And these things will have to be, like... You have to supply a platform to a chat receiver, right? Because this will be to like to like combined chats, or actually wait, this is Python, so we gotta be like combined chats, and then platforms, YouTube. Let's keep all that shit lowercase. Okay, so we have combined chats. Give it a platform. Oh, shit. Damn, thanks, Jen. Thanks, Drake. CHUD. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for the 40. How you doing? Thanks, man. That's a long goddamn time. That's years. Actually, 3 years, 4 months. It's crazy. Yeah, big 40. That's insane. Thanks, dude. Yeah. Give it a list of platforms. That's what we should do. Chilling and drawing. Nice, nice. I am doing the coding equivalent of that, effectively. We're making a chat bot in Python real quick. Trying to get used to, just honestly coding and streaming and doing the steps on the treadmill. So I have to get 20k steps, and basically, yeah. This was a C++ program, but now it's Python because it did it in like 2 seconds. But yeah, this will do like all the cum sound effects and stuff like that. And then after this, we will go and do some Godot. But I don't know how long this is going to take, so we'll just have to see how it works. I'm planning out how I want to do it. Right now, we have like a bunch of functions all over the place that do various things. But, we don't know exactly how to do it fully yet. The Twitch one, for example, is kind of fucked up still. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What we need to do is go back to notes. Okay, so what I want is a platform. And give it YouTube. I'm not walking at all in Japan. I might have to trust my calves. Oh, I mean, you're gonna eat some shit, right? But honestly, I think like the energy of around you will just make you not even like think about it, kind of thing. Like when I went to Japan first, I didn't prepare for it, right? But it's just like I know I'm fat, so it's like, I gotta like actually do it. Combine chats, give it a list of platforms, and then I don't want to like over-engineer this. Okay, so then let's see tasks. Or no, wait. Okay, so we have combined chats. Maybe just chat. And then in the combined chat, we want to give that. So I'll have a list of platforms, and then in the combined chat, it would make sense to have something where it would be like a tasks to process chat task, and would be the next thing. Actually, how do classes in Python work? I don't even know. Classes in Python work. Whoo. Okay, a class is basically okay. Well, yes, but like. Python class examples. There we go. Okay. Okay, so it's just class. Okay, the init method is a special method called when an object is created. So if returns instance, okay, so this is the constructor basically. Bark self. So you pass it itself. Weird. Okay. There's no like this. Okay, that's weird. You have that winter fat energy. You're gonna need it, dude. It won't be like you know anything like home, but like it will be a little chilly. But it's easy. We're bringing 3 people that all like live from very like cold places. It's gonna be sick. My dog, another dog. Okay, I see. And then you just dot bark that bitch. Okay, so that's how it works. Combine chat. Okay, so a chat task, which will be how about function pointers? Is that a thing? Does Python have function functors, I guess? They do. Okay. Python supports the concept of functors, though not in the same way as other languages like C++. In Python, a functor is typically implemented as a class that defines the call special method that makes instances of that call class callable like functions. Let me just see. Okay, example. Huh. Creates an instance of the adder class, okay, a functor, and then result is adder 5 at 3. Oh, what the hell? Wait, so Python is like kind of like different then. Huh. Okay, that's weird. That's how you do it? Okay. I mean, that's fine. Okay. Very strange. Okay, chat tasks. Do it as a functor. Now we'll just put underscore call underscore self, just so I remember. Okay, and then, okay, so then combine chat. And then a list of platforms, and then it'll get that. And list, oh, this might be too much. Okay, let's give it a list of chat tasks. Okay. Okay. And then, what else? Chat tasks. I have a better idea. We will do something like this. Something that we'll just call like the chat processor. List of chat tasks. Iterate through all of them. Yes, iterate through all of them and perform them. The actions. Okay. So a chat task could be like just anything that you want to do to a piece of chat that is received. The combined chats, the platforms to give like the messages. This will basically be okay. Wait, then Python. Okay, hold up. There's a lot of shit. The Nordic Vikings are taking over. That's true. I represent the brown dudes. A brown guy, a white guy, and a Chinese guy all go. It's like a bar joke at that point. It's pretty cool. Process our task. Chat task. So, okay. A task could be like register like a audio, like register a command. Yeah, okay. So we'll just basically, this will be what does the command, but we'll call it generic stuff so that we don't have to, like worry about that. Chat processor will take the list of chat tasks, iterate them, and then this, the combined chat, will take a chat processor that is configured and apply it to the flow of messages. Okay. I think... Oh, no, wait, there's like a whole other component to this. So we need the web... the browser source. Okay, this is the part that I'm not like too sure about. So some fucked up music here. The theme from The Invader. It's pretty cool. Tong Poo, hell yeah, this song is awesome. Okay, so how does it do it? We can use Flask for this, but how exactly do we want to do this? I know in Flask you can do the templates, right? That was kind of what I remember thinking about yesterday. Right? Yeah. So here it is. Okay, it gives you the title, link. So how does this work? Okay, you've written authentication views for your application, but you're running the server and try to go to any of the URLs. You'll see template not found. That's because the views are calling render template. But you haven't written any templates yet. The template files will be stored in templates directory inside the Flasker package. Huh. Jinja template library. Huh, what's this? Whoa. Same style. Okay, this document describes the syntax and semantics of the template engine and will be the most useful reference for creating Jinja templates. As the template engine is very flexible, the configuration of the application can be slightly different from the code presented here in terms of delimiters and behaviors of undefined values. Huh. This is exactly what I'm looking for every item in navigation. So where does this come from? So template contains variables and expressions. Okay, it's simply a text file. Jinja can generate any text-based format, HTML, XML, CSV, LaTeX, all that. A Jinja template doesn't need to have a specific extension, or any extension is just fine. The template contains variables and or expressions, which get replaced with values when a template is rendered, and tags, which control the logic of the template. Heavily inspired by Django and Python. Below is a simple, minimal template that illustrates a few basics using default Jinja configuration. We will cover the details later in this document. Okay. So the body, and then it's like U1, navigation, for each item in navigation. But where does this come from? Okay. Oh, hey, Everest. Ooh, didn't know you streamed tonight. Let's go. Hell yeah. What up, man? Yeah, I don't know. Like, right now, I just need to get my damn steps in. 1900. Yeah, 1900. So we're doing good. So it was just like I'm just going to be coding anyways. Let's fucking do it. Where the fuck is this navigation coming from, though? Okay, the following example shows default configurations. As application developer can change the syntax from foo to foo or something similar. A few kind of delimiters, statements, expressions to print template output, comments. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. All right, he doesn't have any comments. Oh, no, he does. Okay, right there. Sweet. Lost your streaks to a king, and of course he key charged? Yeah. I mean, you were kind of, what, on 80 or some shit? Line statements and comments. Okay. Adding a Jinja extension might make it easier for some IDs or editor plugins, but it's not required. Okay, we'll do that. They're in the templates folder, regardless of extension. Okay. Huh. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to have it generate like a HTML, and it would just have like a sound effect. Wait, how the fuck would we do this? Actually, now I'm not even sure. 36th Street, that's crazy. Okay, let's see. Audio from HTML5. Okay, OBS browser source. We need to see what this shit is. Okay. Browser source is the most versatile sources. It's literally a web browser that you can add directly to OBS. This allows you to perform all sorts of custom layout, image, video, and even audio tasks. Anything that you can program in a normal browser within reason can be added there. Huh. FPS. Oh. You can give it GPU acceleration? That's kind of cool. I didn't know that. Weird. So it's just like a browser. Like, okay. So, back to HTML5. Okay, so it's an audio element. This allows for embedding audio content directly into pages and controls player playback. Browser utility and stuff. Basically, this is going to be the thing that does the cum sound effect and all that stuff, right? We're just starting there, right? So that's kind of the goal. Now, what I'm trying to do is like make it so it's like an OBS browser source, and then I can just trigger it through chat commands. Yeah, but honestly, I'm like not sure exactly how I would go about that. Huh. On button clicked. JavaScript control. Well, okay, so we might need some JavaScript. But okay, so maybe I don't here. No, because it would need to be triggered by something else. It would have to be like a WebSocket or something. Yeah, it doesn't have to be. Well, yeah, it would be a WebSocket. Okay, I'm like pretty dog shit at WebSockets. Okay. Let's see. Brief explanation of WebSockets. Okay. Okay, single CCP connection, duplex. Allow both the client and server to send data anytime after the initial handshake is complete. This makes them ideal for applications that require continuous updates, like online chat. Okay. Okay. Then that would mean that we would have to... Okay, WebSockets... Flask? Like, okay. Because we can generate the HTML. Okay. with offerings. On one hand, it's possible to use Flash plus G event. On the other hand, UWSGI has socket support, and there's at least an extension. What's the problem with implementing WebSockets with only one of these? What do I do when... Okay, regulators are short-lived. Decline. When you use WebSockets, the problem is more complex because the WebSocket connection is open for a period of time. So the server cannot use a small pool of workers to serve Okay, I don't care about scaling. This is where G-Event enters the picture. G-Event has a concurrency model based on greenlets, which scales much better. Well, honestly, we just need to have one thread for... one thread for YouTube, one thread for Twitch, one thread for... Okay, wait, this is getting a little more complicated than I thought it would. Okay, so we'd have to... Okay, each platform has to have a thread that's going into it. And then honestly, this part can be all blocking, right? Chat processor, combine chat, and chat. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so then how does... So with Flask, can we serve JavaScript too? Like... Because, like, this is great for templates and stuff. Okay, so... Log in. Okay, extends base. Technically, this template should replace the blocks from the base template. Okay. So we know how it generally works, but now let's see how we figure in JavaScript with this shit. Huh. Curated list with Flask starters? What is this? Alright, Tunky, how's it going? Did you manage to get them to refund you? How's it going, dude? Let's see. Curated list with all those new subs value for the money. I guess. I'm trying. ICBF. You sure, man? I mean, that's a lot. I appreciate that, but thank you. All right. Can't be fucked. Oh. Well, I appreciate that, man. Seriously, that was a lot. I really do appreciate that. Thank you. And honestly, legit, no hard feelings at all if you go and figure it out with Twitch, because, like, that is a lot of money. That is a lot of money. So thank you. Well, like, I mean, initially it was hard to tell. No, don't, no, it's cool, it's cool. Like, I don't want you to feel like, how do you say, like, forced or compelled or whatever. If it was a fuck up, it was a fuck up. So be it, you know? It's cool. Regardless, I appreciate it. Regardless of the final output. Thank you. Okay, this is not exactly what I was thinking it would be. Okay. Alright, so... Well, maybe I just, like, skipped. Maybe I don't need to do that, then, like... No, dude. Oh, God. No, seriously. Take it. Honestly, $200 or $200 is, like, in terms of, like, food, is a shitload in Japan. I mean, that's, like... I mean, you can, like... The food there is so cheap. It's crazy. Boiled rice and soy sauce. The one that, like, I'm gonna be chugging is just fucking plum rice cakes. Or plum rice, the triangle-shaped shit things. Plum rice. These things, yeah. These are my fucking weakness, dude. They're so good. Oh, what's up, Alfred? Welcome. Let's see. So how should we do this then? Okay. Can I serve JavaScript with my Python templates? Like, how does it work in this? What is the use of JavaScript while developing with Python? Yes, you can share the common practice in web development, especially with Python. Okay, Python backend generates HTML. Okay. HTML. Oh, okay. So you just do it in there, just like normal. Okay, I figured. You never know. Never heard of them? Let me know where the good ones are at. Honestly, they're like at all the 7-Elevens. They're pretty common. It's pretty cool. They're really tasty. Like, so they were always like, there would always be like one left every time I'd go. So people were like really liking that stuff. HTML include. You know what? We should just maybe embed it directly. Huh. Okay, so wait, where's the templates folder? With Flask. Is it like Python Flask? Flask. Let's see. Let's go to the quick start. Okay, so you make a Flask app. Do that. How does it run? What's the Vim plugin in Zen? Oh, it's just it's Vimium, I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Vimium. It was the one that was in Google Chrome. But like there's also like another one that's like Fox something or something like that. Yeah. If you're really trying to go Moscow, the real like tech is to open Qt browser. And then this is like 100% like fucking Vim to like the nth degree. Custom CSS. Oh, nice. No, this is like the most basic thing you could find there, Tungi. Yeah. It's like not, I mean, you know, I like it, but you know, for me it's exotic. Okay, so wait, we need to go back here to the documentation. It's the templates part that I'm not sure. Rendering templates. Boop. There it is. Hey, what's up, Necrobane? Oh, yeah. Qt browser is kind of ass cheeks when it comes to integration. Love it otherwise. Yeah, I kind of felt the same way. Like, it would, for me, it was like bug out where like the controls would stop working. That was why I had to stop it. And then Zen was, you know, Zen just works. So, yeah. How you been, man? A girl wearing a condom outfit as an ad? That's just how they roll, dude. It's like the little wiener anime girl. Some of you will know what I'm talking about, but you gotta dig deep for that. Okay. So does it run? Okay, so can I run Flask on a separate thread? Start Flask in a separate thread. Okay, we can do this. Oh, is that how it works? It doesn't even show that. Like, this app.run. Does it have something like this? No. Nothing? Okay. Dude, they're still losing their schmitz. Yeah. Yeah, we are working on that now. Because, like, now it's like, at first we were doing it in C++, and then it was just being a bitch. And it wasn't even that mostly, but it was like, I don't know how the fuck Windows works, dude. Like, I don't want to like make my CMake file work with Windows. Like, I can't even like test it, even if I wanted to. Yeah. Damn. Doing a bit. I'm probably gonna be coming back soon, but like this is again another like one-off thing. Mid January we'll be back like hard, but we gotta be doing more like dev stuff. I don't know. I like kind of fell out of love with programming for a long time, and now it's back. Now the mojo's back. So this just runs it, huh? I guess I could just define the app in like a different file. I don't know. I'm not a Python dev. Oh, what up, Raspberry Balls? Xbox Ally. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's like the Windows thing, right? Oh, that's cool. HTML escaping. So, okay. Because, okay, all I want is for, like, okay, so what I have to have is, like, okay, so we have to have, like, an HTML file, which opens a WebSocket to... Wait, I'm, like, confused. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, actually, now that I think about it. The Tekken tourney, a little bit, like, just about the last bit of it. It's pretty stupid. Like, good stupid? Okay. So then I would have to... Like, I understand that there's, like, directional, like, stuff, but I just basically need it to be a callback. Wait, hold up. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this anymore. Now I'm a little confused. Atif's Brian is scary. Dude, Atif Bud is the best player in the world. Like, I've been saying that for, like, a long time. He is crazy good. Don't get me wrong. Arslan's amazing, too. But I really think he is better. He just has, like, that personal, like, you know, it's hard to... you know, like, it's like that's his, like, demon. That's, like, his bracket demon personally. It just happens to be the best fucking player in the world, which is crazy. That's, like, a whole different level. His Nina, yeah. Using official Bitwarden script, it would, in certain situations, send your login details to plain text in the crash log. Oh, that's fucked up. I mean, that's enough for me to, Did I spell it wrong? I did. Okay. Damn. Oh, what? Wait, why is this? Oh, what the fuck? Ah, okay. Alright. Well, I'm glad no one's... Wait, did anyone say anything on YouTube side? No, okay, good. Alright, it wasn't rendering properly. Fuck. Okay. Okay, so I actually have very little experience with these fucking web sockets. So... Okay, so I just need an endpoint that has the HTML file, which will be the browser source. Opens a WebSocket to the chat processor. So this shit has to have a yeah, because no. Wait, combined chat, it will have that. And then wait, hold up. I'm thinking about this backwards. What's opening the WebSocket? First off, the entry point for OBS has to be the HTML page, right? And then that has to listen to something. Yes, yes. Okay, so then the chat processing part, or like the combined chat part, or wherever the fuck we're putting that, will open a WebSocket. The connect to it, and then whenever it receives a message, somehow it plays the thing. I don't know how to get that part to work, though. I'm not sure how that works. You wanted Asuka players to win? Damn. Spinner in their head, they use whatever. Well, it was King Ray Jr. I know he was, like, fucking some shit up out there, right? I missed a bunch of his matches, but... Oh, shit. Spilled some tea. Thankfully, no sugar, because I don't drink with sugar. Okay. Alright, don't fucking fall. Alright, here we go. Okay, so that's how I think it should be. Chat processor opens a WebSocket. So, okay, even if it sends a signal, can I, like, programmatically press play on HTML audio element? Oh, duh. Go figure. Okay. So you just press dot play. So I can go through the DOM, get that element, and just press play. Okay. Here's the other thing. Now, should we be basic bitches and just get this to work? And actually, yeah, this is Python. Who gives a fuck about efficiency? That was thrown out the window years ago. So, what we can do, we will just do this Flask thing. We will loop. Oh boy, is it gone? Okay, well, it's not, I don't remember where the other page that had the cool example we were looking at is. Here it is. Yeah, we'll do this, make an audio thing there, and then basically, you know, just keep them all loaded. Do it in Rust? Nah, man, I'm getting back into C++ now. I want to just do C++. It's too fun. It's too fun. I actually did explore Rust a bit. It is kind of cool, honestly, but like, I'm biased. The first language I learned was C++, and now it feels like I know nothing because it's so fucking different. Yeah. Rust is a cool language, but honestly, I don't know. Just never didn't jive with me too well. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Asuka is a freaking ape in T8? Yeah, she is. She's got the hands, too, man. Yeah, it's sick. Honestly, I think it has a lot of good applications, but, like, ultimately, I want to take it to more of a game dev stuff, and there's just so much shit that's already in C++. I didn't even want to do this in Python, honestly, but it's a lot easier, and we could just kind of, like, put this one to bed faster in Python than I could in C++. And, like, there was this Dragon. I was using Dragon to do it, and then I was just like, well, this is just too fat. Like, this is too fat for this. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it doesn't matter. I should have just finished it. Oh. On click play audio. So you have a reference to okay, so we could just press play. Okay. So then, if that's the case, it would just say what the command was. Yeah, okay. Which would be the chat task. Okay, all right. I think I have like a very basic bitch idea of what I want to do. Let's see if we can implement it. Okay. So let's just start from the main and see how this goes. Make run. Oh yeah, the credentials. C is supremacy. Yeah, I agree. Actually, wait. Do you have like experience in like that type of shit? I have some questions because like I'm I've been a dev for a long time, but like in JVM land, so like this whole like real computer thing is crazy, right? I wanted to pick one language that would just fucking do everything, right? And then I'm only picking one, and that's it, right? Like I just want to be the best at that. Until like I feel satisfied, then I can move on, kind of thing, right? And I picked C++, right? Thinking I was like, okay, well, all the bunch of shit's already in C++. In worst case, you can make some C bindings to like interact with your shit. Do you think it makes more sense to do everything in C and then include other shit like externally? Or like for me, it would be like base C++ and then use like C as like a bridge to everything. That's the second way is how I thought. I'm not like a real C++. I mean, it was college and stuff, right? But I'm trying to like learn this shit. But you seem to like actually be on the lower end spectrum. I'm a Kotlin and Java dev, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So if you have any insight on that, I would be super open to any feedback. And if you guys have any suggestions, please. Like, I don't actually know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm not a Python dev, and I'm making all this shit up on the fly. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's start at the main file. Okay, so this is here. Threading, we'll worry about that later. Import sys. Oh, this is for the arguments, okay. Yes, okay, so we want the first thing, else video ID here. Forget read credential file. Okay. And then so the first thing we want is to start with the platforms. And we'll make that a package. Okay, platforms. Platforms. Touch. There we go. And then... Okay, yeah. Alright, move util/Twitch and util/YouTube to platforms. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, so now let's go ahead and platforms. I wonder, do you ever put anything inside this init.py thing? What should you put in init.py? Does this do anything useful? Like, can you have anything? Tuber says, well, unfortunately, usually I don't put any content in. Well, not anymore. Since 3.3, Python has had namespace packages, which actually can't have an init. Okay. For most purposes, you have a file or not, and it should work as expected, but they are not required anymore. Okay, well, I just learned about this init.py thing, so we'll just stick with it. I don't actually know how that works. Let's just stick with YouTube first. So it has an async thing. Oh, yeah, and then this has to... We forgot to... I almost forgot. Just do that. Okay. So... Which I want to do... Let's just see. So... So this has to be in its own thread. Okay. Oh, asshole. I just forgot to do that. Source the environment. Okay, so then... Alright, so... main.py. Okay. So... from, it's what? Platform... Oh, shit. That's probably a bad name. Platforms. Import. And it was YouTube chat. Okay, cool. And now we should also import threading. And let's see. Oh, this isn't it. So def run flask app. When running flask as a separate thread, you often need to disable the reloader, especially if you're not in a development environment or you encounter issues. Give up? Damn, Panda, what's up, dude? Okay, flask thread, threading, thread, target, run equals... Okay, so it is kind of like how we had it. So let's say threading dot... Oh, does that not work? Huh. Okay, threading dot... What was it? Thread. And then it says target equals to... Oh... Will it know? So if I import this... and then I just go like here. It's not defined. Oh, okay. So I have to do it in here. Okay, this is obviously wrong, but I'm just playing around. Let's see how this works. Okay. And it will just run. Hello world in 2025. Yeah, dude. So maybe we don't have to do that. Or no, we do. And then... Oh, wait, no. What we want to do is go here. And then just define a thing called run. And do something like that. Okay. YouTube chat. Oh, but it would have to need the argument for that shit. Start doing Jeet Dash, buddy. Oh my god. Nah, man. I'm doing this for fun. This isn't about getting a job. Or something like that. Plebs only think that they want to get jobs, dude. Contracted for another 3 years? What's that have to do with anything? Let's see, print. Okay, while chat is alive. Okay, so we just run. This target, that. It needs a video ID. Can you pass a, like this? Can you do this kind of thing? What if I want to pass an argument? Oh, the music stopped. Weird. I don't know why I did that. Let's get something more hype. There we go. If man, yeah, dude, you should do it on your stream, man. Show us what happens when you do it. Threading. Thread with arguments. Wow, I'm fucking up. That's it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's... So args is a sequence of arguments to pass. If you want to pass a list as the sole positional argument. You need to pass my list like that. To make it a one tuple list, it may need a sequence of arguments. I just want fucking arguments to that shit. Give up. Just ask ChatGPT. Well, there are things I do ask it. And who uses ChatGPT? That shit sucks. Gotta use Grok, dude. Let's see. What was it? What was I actually trying to? Okay, we'll do that. In the above Python statement, the function listen to YouTube chat has to take a argument. How do I provide it one? Or is Grok better? Wait, what was it? Oh, you give it like a little... Okay, just like what the other thing was saying. Okay, cool. See, Happy Panda? Now I'm stupid. I can't think for myself. Wait, what was it again? Target. Okay, so it's a separate thing. Okay. Args is just equal to video ID, and that's it. Cool, okay. Homeworks would be a breeze? Yeah, but then you would just be stupid. That's the problem. And then, oh yeah, what's the video ID for this thing? Competencies? Are we smarter now? You'd be shocked, man. I've seen some, like, actual retards. Oh, what the fuck? Gemini's gotten pretty good recently? Oh, what the fuck? My bad, Saul. That didn't render properly. I had to go back here. Let me refresh this. Yeah, Gemini has gotten pretty good, but honestly, Grok has been good. ChatGPT is so bad that even Kelly has said, like, he stopped using it. Ah, shit. When you rely too much on ChatGPT, you are outsourcing your ability to think. And if you don't exercise that as a muscle, you'll just end up being a bear main. That's the problem. It's a very challenging thing for people to accept. Thread.start. Okay. Oh, I still need to go here. Can I just do this? Fuck. I fucked that up. I didn't mean to do that. Cannot accept start. Oh. No, let's just do thread equals this, and then... Whoa. Pipe. Oh, okay. So that does technically work. Okay. But we'll just say, just for brevity. Okay. Okay, so let's see if this shit just works. And it's going to take vid as an argument. Okay. Threading is not needed. Give up. I'm doing this for Shinra, dude. I'm not trying to be a Python main. I want to ask my doctor to have shit tons of experience making prompts for AI and none wielding a knife. Oh, shit. Java, Python, Ruby. Oh, are you describing your own stack, man? I did all those shit, but like a long time ago, Java and Ruby. Python is actually kind of nice. You do kind of need a scripting language. Still doing your script? Yes. Yes, sir, Saul. Why isn't it fucking... Okay, I have to fix that later, but that's fine. Okay, so... let's just run this. Let's see how that works. Pyte chat. Oh, I didn't fucking source the V environment. So what's the point of it? F# lava script. What's the point of it? Basically just to do like the sound commands for now, and then eventually we might add like GIFs so that we get rid of Phantom Bot and any like third-party dependencies. Panda is a dev. Yeah. And this seems simple. I wanted to do it in C++ to like as a learning experience, but Shinra was like, I just generated this Python code. Can you make this work? Last night, and I was like, oh, I guess we can try it. Okay, so anyways, now was never awaited. Oh, because yeah. Await YouTube. Okay, I understand. Okay. Yes. Or no, wait. No, I would have to do that on the thread. And start and return a thread. Right? What is going on in this music? Right? Is that how this works? Wait, what's the thing that's like not awaiting? Was never awaited. I'm missing something. I didn't do something right. Shit. I had this stuff like scattered in. Okay, we'll just ask it. Coroutine was never awaited. I forgot how coroutines work in Python, honestly. And where should I await the function? It's crazy. The generated code is literally just examples they have in their library, lol. Yeah. Very professional leader, very encouraging and selfless. Yeah, dude. Mid-level dev. Oh, wait. Is it not asynced? Oh, fucking asshole. Yeah. Sync wrapper. Okay. So that's what it was. I forgot about that part. Okay. Let's see. Sync wrapper. Okay. And this should be vid? Where's vid gotten from? Oh, I see. Okay. There. Okay, cool. Subnautica, dude, yeah. Yeah, but I also got to do all the juicy stuff. Oh, and it just runs a sync wrapper. Okay. Okay, alright. Sync wrapper. Okay, let's just make this happen. That was supposed to be a different button. And then can I... Yeah, I can still give it the video ID. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Alright, let's just see if that fixed it. If it did, then hell yeah. Make run. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. What the hell? Wait. Invalid. Oh, yeah, I didn't give it a video ID. That's right, yeah. Okay. Python, that, and then I have to give it a video ID. So let's go into YouTube, see if we can get our actual video ID. Okay. For this stream. And make run. Whoa, what the fuck? Signal only works in the main thread of the interpreter? So it has to be in the main thread? What? So you can only have one? Maybe I just need to learn how does async IO work. Do you use async IO properly? Just figure it out, learn how it works. How pip mode only works on non-full screen shit? Like why? Like playing Tome, watching Oni and this shit won't display correctly? In what situations? Huh. Oh. Okay. I'm an idiot. Python isn't really good with multi-threading. Yeah, I'm starting to realize that. Fuck. Create tasks to schedule coroutines to run in the background. I just want to only use coroutines. But then the thing is that, like... Create task. Okay. Okay. Can I... Let's see, can I run... I run Flask in a coroutine? Due to its synchronous... It's because of Flask. Oh my god, I should have just stayed with Dragon if that's the case. If this is... If I can't do this in a coroutine, then I'm throwing the Python away. I'm going back to C++. Trying to pull Steam in picture-in-picture and have it display over. Interesting. Huh. Okay, wait, hold up. But with some setup important limitations, Flask fundamentally... It supports asynchronous views. It's done. I hated Flask. I never liked it. Yeah, it was just like the first thing that everyone like recommended. Like when you Google this type of shit, like I just need an endpoint. And I think the only reason I stopped doing the C++ thing was like I felt that Dragon was just too much. But now I'm like, this Flask thing just seems to be pretty unwieldy. There any native with coroutine solutions available? Instead, Flask. Preferably lightweight and having support for WebSockets. Okay. We'll learn how threading and fucking coroutines work in Python. I just have no frame of reference. Kotlin is such a weird language, man. Like it's just kind of its own fucking thing, and everything worked nicely. Everything was easy. Now it feels so like weird. Honestly, that's not a bad idea. Like I would be way less stuck if I just did it in Golang. Wait, that's a really good point. What the fuck are we doing this in? Why are we doing this in Python? It's because of Shinra, dude. It's because of Shinra. Nah, I'm just kidding. Low-key, this was kind of an interesting, like, venture. Maybe we should just do it in Golang. That would be a lot easier. Well, I mean, if I can just drop in and drop out this quart business, then, you know, I don't really see the fuck Shinra, damn. Hell yeah, dude. The game that makes me want to throw up. Tekken 8 is so, whatever now. Quart. Okay, Quart is the lights. Okay, that's essentially an async IO reimplementation of Flask. Oh, wait, hold up. It's API compatible with Flask, so you can migrate your code easily while gaining async capabilities. That's kind of juicy. Huh. Jinja. It's still doing Jinja. So, like, yeah, nothing really changes. Huh. Let's just do that. They mooch off the cover. They ain't paying shit, damn. How many steps? It's been 7,000 almost. Whew. Okay. Let's go to... what was it called again? Quart? Let's see. Quart, and then it was PyP or something. 020. Weird, okay. Okay, and then... Oops. Project Shinra Python. Okay. Or no, that's not what I want. I want to do... Wasn't it make... No, it's like Python... Wait, what was the command again? It was like Python... And then dash... That was it, okay. What? It's Pip. No, is it? I don't remember. What the fuck? Oh, what up, Combo Monster? How's it going? Hanoi Jane. What are you talking about, dude? Damn. Arslan did kind of eat shit there. He looks pissed off, man, when he lost to, I don't know why this music stopped. Weird. Welcome back, sir. How you doing? Pip install -R. Okay. Can you clean? Like pip clean? Okay, doesn't matter. All right. Okay, so everything should now work, right? Or no, we should do that. Oh, it's not even in here. Hey, what's up, Adobo? Man, like, what do you want me to say now at that point, Panda? Oh, God. Let's see. Let's see. Why is all this coming? Platforms. PyCache. Do I want to, like, ignore PyCache? Do I ignore PyCache? You should add... Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay. Platforms, touch. Just gets ignore. PyCache. This is why we lost players like Janver. I thought he just didn't like the game. What happened with him? Like that? That just looks weird. Okay, I'll do it. So you just always have to have this for... Okay. Weird. Like that. Okay, so now... status. Good. Nice. We'll commit shitty code. It's mid-work. Don't ever do this. But... just want the get ignores to get figured out. Something he said who found offensive crashed out in 5 discords at the same time. Speedkick said something? Huh. Okay. Weird. Anime and Muslim as a joke. Janver, a newly converted, found it offensive like a snowflake and crashed out. Speedkicks made it tame. That sounds like vaguely familiar, but I honestly don't remember. Like, I just didn't realize it was Janver that was, whoever it was. I do remember the comment with him, but, you know, it's like you're just on scrolling on Twitter looking for titties, and then you get fucking speed kicks. You know, what's so cool about it? Like, you don't want to just do that while you're trying to, like, see some juice. Okay. Okay, so let's just, like, really learn how this, async IO. Well, actually, wait. Let me pose a question. Is this even like fucking worth doing right now? Like, should we just do it in like Golang or in fucking C++? You always grab a game with the X language. Yeah, I should have prepared it. Oh, because okay, I get it. Panty shots in the Quran as a joke. I mean, okay, but like, is it really like a... Yeah, ironically, speed kick slowed you down for looking at some eye candy. Exactly. It's completely ironic. There were 2 players using a bikini costume. Oh, what? Then, well, that's not even really that big of a deal, to be honest. Huh. Yeah. We have... Is it not rendering? Yeah. The thing is still there. There you go. You can see my foot in the corner. The only plus I see is that you have API libraries and the simplicity of Python. I mean, it's cool, but, you know, Python is kind of jank, man. Like, sure, you can do stuff. Like, last night, I really thought about it. I was like, maybe this is, like, a good, like, prototyping language. Just, like, make some bullshit theoretically here. And then, like, do it in, like, whatever language you end up wanting to do, which would probably be C++ or something. Huh. I guess. Nah, I think we should just finish this. This is a Shinra task. So we should just do it, yeah. But with Quartz, okay. So is it, like, literally the same? Like, actually? Let's go to Quartz Python. Okay. Render, okay, so it's... Oh, it's, like, literally the same, okay. I mean, I know it said that, but I figured there would be some differences. Weird. The bulk downloads for YouTube playlists with DLP. Oh, okay. I usually just do that in Bash. Fuck. Gosain, Spag, and Joka, I'm assuming, made a post calling it Islamophobia, then walked it back. Oh, yeah. Dude, no, that's such, like, virtue signaling on such a hard level. Like, get the fuck out of here, dude. Muslims are not that hardcore about it. And, yeah. Yeah. And only Jamver crashed out and hard deleted all discords. Yeah. The other thing is, like, it's like the whole point in, like, Islam is to, like, not crash out. It's to, like, respect the fact that people aren't going to be, like, on the same page and, like, be peaceful about it. But that's just not how, And look, man, I was forced to be in Islamic studies for 6 years. Like, that's like a big deal. And then, like, in that kind of thing, you know? Leave and let live. Yeah. Yeah, for real. Like, there's Muslims everywhere. Like, I don't understand. Like, it really isn't, like, Islamophobic. The extremists really changed that POV, Lamau? Like, wait, you mean as far as the Tekken player? Or you mean, like, extremists change that perspective? If you talk to, like, a normal, basic bitch Muslim, right? Like, they will believe that for the most part. Yeah. Yeah, even if it sounds phobic, like, you know, it's like, just disengage. Like, it's really not that hard. Like, I mean, you know, he should do whatever he, like, believes in. Like, you should never take that away from a person. So, you know, if that's what he wants to do, that's what he wants to do, right? But, I don't know. It's just, it's tiresome to, like, expect everyone is going to be on the same page with you. Like, you just can't expect it. Push it? Yeah. That's right. I'm not a big fan of religion in general. So I agree with that. But, you know, people should just do what they want to do, you know? It's not my business, and it's neither their business. If it was up to me, like, no public displays of religion should ever be allowed in a society. That should just be a for-home thing. If you're gonna believe in God, do it at home. Yeah. That's, like, between you and God and or whoever you believe in. Okay. Quart run. Oh, wait. So you have to run it with quart? Man, fuck these things, dude. I'm just trying to, like, okay, yeah, fuck this language, dude. Fuck Python. Okay. Alright. I'm doing this my own way. That was a good learning experience, though. Fuck Python. This is what Quebec has done, and people are losing their shit? Like, they, like, do not allow it, or what? Like, they won't allow public displays of religion? Or, how so? Yeah, I think that's really fair. That's, like, as fair as you can possibly be, really. Yeah, I don't know. Or don't allow bikinis. Yeah. Bunch of Muslims called speed is the hard R. When Gosain had to make a public... Wow. Yeah, see, it's just fucking bullshit, man. It's just dumb people on the internet. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what Golang is like with this shit. Oh, yeah, okay. Damn, the build failed. Okay, let's not go there. You know, to be honest, at that point... web frameworks. Didn't we looked at something that was some... Oh, yeah. I don't want a framework, though. Oh, yeah. WT. I remember doing that. That'd be kind of cool. But there's, like, a weird licensing thing with that one. Racism is greater than religion? Yeah. There is a tier list, dude. It's like, so, dude, I hate all that shit. At that point, we should just do Dragon again. Yeah. LGBT, look at Emily. Yeah, Emily ulted on speed kicks, but the power of race destroyed. Shadow 20Z was like that fucking the Mirror Knight from Demon Souls, and he just fucking posted up And then he's just like, this bitch said the hard R. Just blasted him away, man. Just like an Indiana Jones at the end. God, what a crazy saga that was. Tekken is so dog shit that that's the only thing I can really remember from like those years ago. Okay, so hold up. Let's see. I have Project Shinra without this. Where is this? Okay, yeah. So here's the C++ one that I started. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, I wasn't able to build. Why? The U WebSockets thing. Oh, what the fuck? But we solved this already. What the hell? Maybe I got rid of it. It's not linking U WebSockets. That's right. Yeah, okay. Now I remember what I was doing. And yeah, it was here because like I just didn't know how to like... Okay. Let me see this. Actually, okay, how... do I know what to link in CMake if I have a package installed locally? Usually you would derive it in... well, here, let's just do it in Grok real quick. How do I know what the name of a library I installed is called? Let's assume... I don't know if it must have a CMake somewhere, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, he'll use it hard, dude. In that case, he kind of did like the scene a favor. Cause you have to do this there. Cause what is this? This was U WebSockets find package. So it must be without that, right? Okay, so then cannot find that web or directory. Okay. Yeah, I just don't know. I have no idea how to link this. We'll have to learn. If I can get this to work, then that'd be cool. Otherwise, you know what? Maybe I'll just do Dragon again. Like, who gives a fuck? It was working. There's no reason to have, you know, switched off. Maybe I got too into my... Oh, here we go. I think he'd been knowing that. He just used... Oh, dude, the whole scene. Like, I can't name names, but I will tell you, even at the highest levels, this bitch was throwing hard R's, dude. 100%. And, like, I mean, players... you would see in like top whatevers, and like I could like, you know, this has been a known fucking thing, and everyone got like weird about it because, you know, yeah, like it's scary, you know. No one tested the RPS between you know, it's like the different like minorities were like Pokemon Fire, Green, Leafs, or like Psychic types. We found out. You know, we figured out what the damage triangle was. Oh, did he? Whoa. Crazy. Well, there you go. The link name is U WebSockets. So, but like, how did they figure that out? Most libraries provide integration instructions. Okay, all right. Hint taken. Read the docs. Okay. How would I read the user manual? Okay. Can I just... Okay, yes, I get it. It's simple to use. Is there a way to do the linking? this? Okay, cool. All right. Corking. Corking mechanism. Cork. But didn't know she said all that racist behind the closed doors. She legit be saying the racist version that got the Jack player saying anti-LGBT ban when he crashed out Emily beating him. Was it, I don't even remember. Maybe, yeah. Luigi, or? I don't think it was him. There's only a couple of, Jack players I'm even aware of. It's basically Luigi, Anakin, and, Saint. It was him? Okay. Yeah, that sounded familiar. It's just been so long. Oh, what the hell is this? Message drain. Routes, WebSocket routes are registered similarly but not identically. Okay. Every WebSocket route has the same pattern and pattern matching as for HTTP, but instead of a single callback, you have a whole set of them. Here's an example. Oh, this is all in the same one. Wow, okay, that's kind of crazy. How does this work? Oh, these must be members. Yeah, these must be members. Luigi might go, I think he's cool. Yeah. I mean, I've never really had any issues with him. Everyone talks about him, but like, I honestly just, like, I've like spoken to him like once or twice in chat, but yeah, I don't really know him, to be honest. Wait, they live banned his ass? I see him at Tatakai Tuesdays. He lives in Japan, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, maybe I misread. Oh, he was banned from Chai Tech. Okay, I see. Okay. Here, let me take a piss real quick. Oh, 9,000. Nice. Okay. Emily moved to Seattle. From Tampa never sleeps. Huh. If he forgives Emily. I don't think Toonie gives a shit. To be honest. I have talked to Toonie a lot about it. When it first happened, I was like, whoa, what's going on here? What was that? Hello? The fuck? Toonie's responsibility. Okay. Yeah, this shit. Okay. So there's all this business. I'm pretty sure I installed it, right? And then something like that, right? I didn't spell it wrong, could I? Project, okay, so that works. It just can't find it. It was like this. Like that, right? UWeb sockets, something like that. Something like this. But it doesn't see it. I honestly don't know how to, like, figure it out. Yeah, Arturo Sanchez versus Welcome Back. Arturo Sanchez, I've heard his name so much. But honestly, I think he's like Street Fighter, right? Oh, NYC Furby. Oh, okay, I know that guy. Yeah. I mean, he was, didn't he, like, repent? It's like, I want the FGC to heal. They'll never let him, man. Doesn't matter, like, what he will. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. I eventually followed him on Twitter because Medusa was following him too. And I was like, okay, well, who is this fucking guy? I've heard his name everywhere. And I just know him as a like a TO. And then there's like this whole fucking social battle going on. I'm like, damn, Isaac's pretty cool, man. Like, he just fucking chills. Like, you know, he doesn't do anything weird. And I don't, like, necessarily, like, I don't really know the guy, to be honest. So how would I... okay, you know what? Let's go here. And... what was it? Shinra. There we go. Okay. Harris playing Buckshot Rule every time he pull out his cell phone for let's call up the Pommy Arturo. Okay, that's pretty hilarious. That's pretty funny. Okay, so let's pipe that shit. Okay. So let's see. Here is my CMake file. Make list.txt. I am simply trying to use UWeb sockets and am unable to link. How am I doing this correctly? There's, like, so much. It's, like, there's so many people that, like, I just know peripherally, like, people say, like, hey, some shit in the past. Stuff to do with money. Like, he wasn't paying people out, so, like, that post was, like, him paying back someone he owed money or something. So, like, I honestly don't know, like, the full story. But he used to run some pretty big dick tournaments, so that's all I really know him from. Between that and the Eris memes. Tony-go. Okay, 400 steps till we break 10K. That's what I thought. It doesn't provide a CMake thing. It's out of the box. It's primarily make file based. Unless you've installed it via package manager like VC, which uses lowercase, then this won't work. Even though you need find package. Isn't defined anywhere. Whoops. So it's likely a typo. Oh, that is my bad. What the fuck? Yeah, that is definitely my bad. I set the source. Okay, not sourceder. This was left from Dragon. Okay, well, it's still not doing that. Okay, what the? Ah! Holy cow. Yeah, so it still doesn't know that. Okay. Oh, wow. Bump for fetch content features. Okay, yeah, so we'll do fetch content. That's how much shit you have to do? Okay, I will just fucking do it. Let's just see how this pans out. I really didn't want to use, like, package managers and shit like that, but okay. There. Oh, it's still CMake stop to make it stop. Huh, okay, weird. Oh, what up, Janelle? Oh, what's up, Shinra? How's it going? How's it going? The shitty Dawson player, his legacy is destroyed by Daigo in 4? Oh, you know him, then. I thought he was supposed to be a good player. But is it like an Isaac situation, Saul? Or like, you know, like he was good, but like, you know, kind of like, you know what I'm talking about? Isaac? Okay, yeah. What to do, brown brother? Yeah, like, that's something that brown people, like, it's like interesting, because Mexican people call themselves brown too. Black people call themselves brown, and Afghanis will call themselves brown. Everyone's kind of brown. Yeah. I think the funniest was F-Champ making a stupid watermelon joke and banned from Capcom tournaments. That was for a watermelon joke? Like Watermelon Bob style? You're brown too. You're like pale as brown I've ever seen then. Damn. Good, how are you? Good, but Rosa's round, so he's a celeb. Oh, okay, so a little different then. French equals brown. Oh, really? Oh, wow. I had no idea. That's crazy. I could not have, I think I've heard something like that. Oh my god. 18 steps, gentlemen. We've been walking for, well, the whole stream, right? An hour and 48 minutes? 10,000. Okay, we'll take a break for a second. No, I'm not. Okay, I was gonna say, like, dude, that's crazy. I know, actually, I know 2 albino guys. One of them is black, and the other dude is also black, actually, now that I think about it. Oh, gosh. We'll take a break. Can't you tell from his red eyes? No, I feel you. Oh. Oh, there's 10,000 more steps. Holy shit. Yeah. Okay, what's going on? Give me a second. I think I'm being called. Oh, hey.
Do you have any trash?
Not enough. I'll take it out myself, though.
Well, we are taking it out now.
Oh, that's...
So if you have any, give it to me.
I mean, It's not that much.
Yeah, it's enough.
Like it's still like it's barely half.
Well, another week and
Okay.
but the government doesn't know this report.
Okay. Cool. Thanks.
Do you have?
I have bags. Yeah. Thanks.
The schnaub is not ready.
No, it's like barely. Yeah, it's nothing. Yeah.
What
Well, no, I mean it's literally like 2 like pieces of tissue. Yeah. It's nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you though. You do have black friends? What? He made a. I have black friends like every other colorblind person. Damn. What? Confirm. Whoa! No, quit. Okay, I'm closing this. I don't know what happened there. Wait, let's do there, full screen, Z, resurrect, Project Shinra, enter, there. We're good. What are you eating every day? Like a usual meal? Yesterday I just had a Chipotle. But before before Thanksgiving, I was just doing like only like basically protein. So I'd have like a bunch of eggs with like, some chicken or whatever like my family was eating that day. But now I just do whatever I want, but only once. Chipotle, not every day. Hell no, no, no. Hell no, dude. I would have rectal problems, dude. No sources. Okay, well, thank you. Thank you, fucking ChatGPT. Oops. Let's see. Not ChatGPT, it was Grok. Okay, here's what I'll do. I will get check out, CMake lists. Okay. Oh, fuck. I didn't save it. Oh. Damn, I didn't commit it. Fuck. Boilerplate stomach? Yeah, dude. Only the Arab. Everyone thinks we're not Arab. We're technically Asians. Technically, we're Caucasians, which is crazy. That's how those Afghans, by the way, got in the country. They considered themselves Caucasian. Undo? No, the undo tree is gone. It's fine. Actually, this is kind of better anyways. Like, we could just use Dragon. Okay, we'll just do that. That's fine. Main. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to Dragon's documentation. Caucasian, yeah, dude. No, yeah, it's fine. Like my goal was to use this anyways at the end of the day, so. I had like a really fucking clean CMake file. Damn. Well, this is actually it, to be honest. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah. Okay, so no, it's CG. What's going on here? Oh, it's going. It's still going. Okay. Live stream YouTube. Oh shit! This is. Okay. What happened here? No source is given to Tarlink. You know what? Fuck it. What am I doing wrong here? Let's see. I get the following errors when trying to generate my CMake files. I just saw something horrible in my peripheral vision. What happened to the Python script? Oh, it was the threading shit just got like super gross, and it's just like it's come to the point where it's like easier to do the threading in C++. And honestly, like it was the whole thing of like you have to run it through that shit. I was like, okay, I don't want to like spin up a whole ass thing. If I'm gonna do a whole ass framework, then just go back to the old one. Because the only reason I stopped this was I was like, this seems like excessive. Okay, so generate my CMake files. Here is my CMake list.txt. I think I copied it right. Yep. I get the following errors when attempting to generate the files. Okay. Can you help? I think I know what it is. I think I just didn't define the source files properly. I actually know what the error is, to be honest. Now that I think about it, it's this, and then I didn't and then it would be src. Okay, well I did it wrong anyways. Or is it like I have to do it here? Could not find. Oh, wait, hold up. This is working now. Could not find target sources with invalid. Okay, so this is definitely. Multi-threaded is not designed well, yeah. Actually, wait, I missed a bunch of stuff. Fun fact, the gene for blue eyes appeared 10,000 years before the gene for white skin as suggested by her. Yeah, dude, if you look, there's a lot of blonde hair, blue-eyed Afghans, too. It's, like, weird. And even historically, like, we have, like, German influence, too, but, like, historically there was, yeah. Nature created Hobson. Oh, the rapper. I have green eyes. What does that mean? Mulatto eyes. Heterochromia with... Oh, that's kind of crazy. Yeah. Yeah. What's all that?
Walnuts. We paid $90.
Damn.
Those are the freshest and the white.
Very cool. Okay. Are you going to bed?
Well, maybe in a few minutes.
Okay.
Watch Tegis.
I'm streaming right now.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I will. She just walks in. She's like, wash your dishes, do all this. And it's like, no, like, I'll do that later. Good race, damn. Sunburst. All right, let me turn the shit on again. Okay, we need another 10,000, then we're done. There we go. Whoa, Grok and... When I learned mulatto man in high school, I thought it meant Uncle Roxy. I know that word. Yeah, mulatto. Okay, target sources. So this is what's fucked up. Where is the source stir? Oh. Wait a minute. This isn't defined. Oh my god, is it literally that? No. No sources given to target. Okay, well, let's see what ChatGPT says. Oh my god, is it really that stupid of an error? It is. Oh my god, is it? Oh my god, that's what the error was. Holy shit. That's so dumb. That's dumb as hell. Okay, well. Yeah, and it fucking builds. Okay, well, I feel like an awesome dev right now. Okay. Good. Okay, we have progress again. It's pretty close to the French equivalent. Well, mulatto, Shinra, I think he's talking about. It's like half black, half white? Or half black, half not black, or something? Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. Okay, cool. Oh, this is so much better, dude. Fuck Python. Holy shit. How do people use that shit? That's crazy. What's like something like Python but better than Python? Mulatto, yeah. Okay, so then in that case, let's do 11 Project Shinra. Okay, obviously there's no breakpoint, so it's just gonna run through, but it did run, so that's what matters. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, so. Okay. Read the docs. Okay. All right. For scripting, yeah, just something with like better. I mean, at that point, like I guess Golang, right? I mean, but we may as well. Alternatives to Python with good multi-threading. It's literally saying Java. Okay, so it just says fuck you, use a real programming language. Okay. Maybe Go. I guess Go would be the easier one, but at that point it's like, okay, what about running system commands or running shell commands from C++? It would be the system. Yeah. I mean, at that point, this is kind of just the same, right? You tried? I mean, it should be fine. Like, C standard lib. Like, this is obviously not, like, normal, but, like, this is kind of, yeah. And then you still have thread, like, something that has, like, good, multi-threading. Oh, what's up, dude? How you been? We are... Well, we have implemented, like, a basic Python version of this thing. And then threading in Python sucks. And coroutines are a bitch, too. And combining the two is even more fucked up. So, basically, it was supposed to be a chat bot to, like, you know, when you do the thing. Golang is sick, yeah. We were looking, but, like... just in this whim of the moment, it was like, you know, why wouldn't we just do, like, instead of Python, like, why not just do, like, a real programming language? You know, that kind of thing. I do daily at work. Well, that makes sense, right? Because they do, like, what is it? Golang, K8. What is this? Also, what's up, man? How's the wife? How's you know, family? How's all that? Hope everything's going well. Hope you guys doing good, dude. This is just a straight up client, so this is something totally different. That's cool though. That's cool. Okay, so wait, let's do oops. Okay. Hold up. Let's keep this here. Okay, we could just do it here, okay? We can include. So then we could just do the system. And then we'll do ls-lah. Okay. Don't do that automatically. I don't want that. Okay, whoops. All right, and then actually, what is this actually? It's not used directly. Right? Let's hear. Using a system. Weird. Okay. Sudo rm-f. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Working on kitchen renovation. Nice. Mudding a few walls. Cade's under the hood. Mostly Golang. Yep. Golang is amazing. I really do like Golang. Let's just do that. Or let's just see what the fuck this is. Was it because of this? Oh, there we go. Okay, so no, I want to go to the definition of system. Okay, const char, and it returns the, it just returns the fucking, how do I get the output? Can I, like, take the standard output of it? Command with this int result. Okay, cool. Let's go to Grok. I use Mizu more once I get my home lab room built and the kitchen run. Oh, sick. Nice. Apparently Mozilla only recently fixed a 21-year-old bug in Firefox. Am I surprised? Those fucking assholes. Them from cstdlib. In C++, how do I get the std out and std error, etc.? If I can latch on to some other file descriptors. I don't even know if that's actually there. It says command shell. It's not marked with that. Okay. Okay. Hell yeah. The events like these remind me that we don't hate corporations of Mozilla. Mozilla's like some like evil shit. Like they're like actually on some fuck shit. Like unironically. They're trying, I don't know, it's some weird like Soros-esque kind of shit going on. Like, and not just about the fucking browser. Like they have some weird mission statement. It's very strange. Okay, so the streams. Well, hold up. The system function from standard shows asynchronously, but does not provide a way to directly capture the subprocesses, standard out, standard error, and other streams. It simply returns the exit status and output. Okay, I figured. Because I remember you would use system.pause or whatever, or system pause, like when you were on a Windows computer in school. To capture standards, you must redirect them explicitly in the command line to be passed. Oh, wow. Okay. But then this is like literally reading files. Like, no, I don't want to create a file. Is there a better way to run shell commands in C++? Okay. Yeah, that's fucked up. But I feel like if it's already a file, like it's already got a file descriptor, it should be able to just take it and use it. Put it under the stairs and pipe an AC vent there so I could shut. Oh, that's sick. The my stupid idea was to like, you can't really see it, but like, well, maybe you can. Can I show this somehow? Yeah, I can. Okay. So, like, behind this door, here. I don't think you can really see it, but basically, behind that door is, like, the server room, and then it just goes to the stairs, and it's fucking hot. I didn't do anything, like, ventilation-wise. We just put this door in here, which used to not be there, and it is fucking boiling, and then it's cold out here, which is weird. It fucked up all the things, so it was dumb. But that's one route. If you actually ventilate it, it's so much better. Yeah, so much better. Whoa, P open. Yeah, I don't know. Molvad, dude, do it. Fucking Molvad's good, man. Honestly. Free heat in the winter. I'm assuming you mean the VPN, or I think they have a browser, right? Oh yeah, here. This thing. Oh, it's a Firefox extension too? Crazy. Whoa. Alright, well, you get the point. Okay. Alright, fucking C++. They're more flexible, manual file directions, especially if you want to capture standard out, error, or both without involving temporary files. It should be slow and secure. Standard C++ library lacks a built-in process management API through proposals. Okay, that's cool. There's a common step. This is a common step. P open from system. Okay. From ccdio. It creates a pipe to read the command inputs directly into memory. It's synchronous and returns a file stream. Okay. For Windows, I don't care. Oh, wow. Okay, this is juicy. I want to use this. Leave that door open? I know, but, like, I want to be loud. Kills it. Oh, yeah. Molvad is amazing, yeah. I haven't used the browser yet, but most of the time when I do it, I just, like, the one thing I feel like I'm doing wrong is I'm allowing it to use my local DNS, but, like, but locally. I don't know if it's going, outside of my house. I hope it's not, and I just don't know how to, like, even verify that, frankly. I'm sure I could figure it out, but yeah, so we need stdio. Okay, and then so it's P open, string exec. So what's it returning here? String result. Get anytime. Result. Oh, that's interesting. So it just like eats up. Okay, that's cool. All right, let's try that. Fuck it. This is not really relevant to what I'm doing, but I've always been kind of curious. There we go. Buffer for eating chunks. Is std array needed? Okay, cool. Okay. So, okay, let's just go into here. So buffer for reading chunks. Big Oni, I don't know what you change with your setup, but sometimes your mic gets muted and the music goes higher. Really? Oh, fuck, I just realized. Whoops. I was on the wrong scene, my bad. The games be bumping, so that's probably why. Well, there is like a static shocking issue I've noticed. Here, let me see. Okay. I think I kind of know what it is. I think it's the static shock shit. I'm like, when I move my hands and it's like zapping me, I think. Okay. So this works. Okay. And then result. Okay. So then we'll say result equals to exec. And then we'll just say yanking that. Da-da-da. Okay, cool. Reference to overloaded. Did you mean to call it? Okay. While true. While. Sleep. Or can you? Actually. Wow, that actually works. Okay. All right, so I don't know. I just need something there. Oops. And then let's just put something like see out command executed. And L. Okay. Let's go. Make debug. Oh yeah, it's like CD. There we go. All right. There. Okay. Command executed is spelled wrong. Okay, so let's see what result has. Result has nothing? Nice. Anything working so far? Okay, so we did get like a basic thing going, but then like the threading of it got really weird in Python. So, yeah. Oh, is it because? No. Okay, let's just continue. Let's try it again. What? Oh. How does it still work? Okay. And I also didn't bring all that shit. Memory, string IO stream. Okay, cool. Just continue. Okay. Okay. So what was in result? Oh, it did it. Total. Oh, it did it. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. It did it. Okay, cool. So that works. Mudahar? Oh my god, dude. This is the same project, but this is like in the C++ one. Comp-sci engineering degree. Oh god. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, that's cool. Whoa. Oh, this is like the contents of it. Wow. Okay, so if it can just do that type of shit, then that's pretty cool. Okay. Terminate session. Oh yeah, let's just continue. 7, do nothing. Disconnect and terminate. 4. Okay, cool. So that's how it is. All right, nice. I can't help with C++. To be honest, it got more complicated on the Python side. So yeah. Sounds super FF7, it does. Basically, it's just the come command thing. Yeah. Yeah, basically that. Cool. So this is good. Okay. Well, it's a shame we're not going to use this this code, but that's okay. Okay. Okay, anyways, let's go back to Dragon. Let's get this thing done. But now I was curious about that. I've been wondering how that works. Okay. Static site. Okay. He's making it look like I made a dash to do a job for you. Well, no, I actually want to do this part. And I'm white, so it's weird. How is it weird, first off? And second off, no, honestly, like, this is kind of more, like, the C++ side of it, even though it's, like, kind of, new to me. It's interesting to me. New C++ is, like, crazy. Python is fucked up, man. Python is crazy. I just want something where, you know, threads and coroutines are, like, you know, not that fucked up. But okay, so let's think about this now. Because American colors phobia. Well, you're the one that's making it. Oh, Holy See, dude, I've been seeing him so much on my feed. It's awesome. I'm glad. Oh yeah. I am beginning to remember all this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what is this? This is basically the C++ equivalent of, like, Flask. But the thing is, we can do more like, here, I guess I should probably copy this to you. Okay, so back to here. Because we need a controller. Yeah, I remember this now. Yeah, you would define your routes here. We just need one for a WebSocket, and then another one for that. And then all it would have to do is, like, get the DOM, like, get the fucking sound file from the DOM and play it. Yeah. Yeah, it's a sound effect bot, basically. I think this will be more juicy. Yeah, it was like this stuff. Yeah, the async handle that. And then there was you could generate. Yeah, now I'm beginning to remember it. Yeah. Okay, so what you could do, if I remember right, is you go into, wait, where is this? Oh, this is the build directory. You go into here. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. I guess I didn't commit any of it. What the fuck? I think, yeah, I didn't commit any of it. That sucks. Okay, well, that's fine. Make dir, and then it was, oops. Okay, so then controllers, filters, plugins, and models. And what's the other one? Plugins. Okay. And then I remember I made like an app thing here. Yeah. You go to bed, need to fix your body clock, dude. Get some sleep if you haven't, man. Enjoy. Yeah, that too. Shinra's right. It's important to be tired physically. But what Jano is probably going to do is just going to probably power jerk until he's done. Okay. Okay. I think that's good. And then we don't really need any models. We don't really need any plugins. We might need some filters. But mostly we just need controllers. So then you use Dragon. Yes. Dragon create. Okay, it failed. Help. Create. So yeah, here it is. Okay, so you can do Dragon. Create controller. Let's make a WebSocket controller. Namespace. We'll say... Oh, sounds good, man. Sounds good. You have a good beginning of your night, sir. How long has it been? 2.5 hours? Okay, we only have 7,500 steps left. So it's pretty good. Do I care? Like, we'll just say Onibak. Namespace. We'll just say, bot. Colon. And then, let's do, WebSocket controller. Oh, wait, they use camel case, don't they? Okay. Socket controller. Okay, and then same thing, but I think this one has to be HTTP simple controller. Okay, and whoops. Oh shit. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, and then the same thing, but S, and then this will be HTTP simple controller. We'll do that, yeah. All right, cool. I actually lost like 6 kilos, mainly eating protein. Oh, damn. I lost almost all my beer belly and doing some workout as well. Stopped drinking any alcohol. Good shit, man. Yeah. That's the way to go, man. That's the way to go. If you can pull it off. Yeah, some people just love their booze. Okay, so. What? Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh, what's here? WebSocket controller.ah. Oh, it's because I didn't actually do anything here. Right? Oh, that sounds good, Tungi. Proper Muslim. That's true. He's our very own mulatto Muslim. HOTS HTTP simple controller is ambiguous. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Okay. I understand. I get it. I fucked PD controllers. Remove bot for each simpler controller. Okay, so then let's do that again. Let's see. Browser source. Let's just call it. And then the WebSocket controller is fine the way it is. Yep. Whoa, what the fuck? Why is it getting the cache? Weird. Is, fuck, maybe the, get ignore is fucked up. It's not here. Oh, okay. Our build. Okay. And now, where's cache? Cache. Okay. Nope, it's not here. Okay. There we go. Okay, much better. By Christmas, 10 kilos is crazy. Good shit, though. Good luck. Respect. Not the wolf. Yeah, dude. You might look natural. Fuck. Okay. All right. Well, now it's all like fucking normal, right? All right. What's happening here? WebSocket control. Oh, I guess it's the same problem. Okay, then let's just change that to. Okay. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so let's do this again. And then we'll change this to. This should be a W. It should be called chat. Live chat. Yeah, okay, cool. And hopefully you won't get stabbed, damn. They might want to. I have to ask my mom here if she wants me to get her a burqa whenever she asks me to order stuff from Amazon. That's funny. Okay. So is that good? Okay, cool. We're good. Jeez. Okay, so now we're back in business. So, okay, so the simple HTTP controller, we can just do the path add, and then we'll just say OBS, no filters, none of that shit. Okay. Whew. Just the local department store. Yeah, man. They are now taking over. Oh. God damn. Only 13,000 steps. Fuck. Okay, so path add here. Because I remember you're supposed to just define it there, right? And then you, oh yeah, you have to say like if it gets get. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so then if it's doing the get, yeah, and then you do it here in the, yes. Okay. Yeah. Nice. CT text document, set body to that. Can we set the body to an HTML file? Because I know there's like a whole template system with this shit. There's like a whole view system with this stuff. It's hard to say. How we want to do this. Okay, so now we have this. I remember they had some sort of, yeah, like something where you could like, similar to Flask. It was down here. I remember reading it the other day. View, no. Built-in middleware filter. Huh. Let's see, can we find this stuff? Okay, where's the docs for this, though? Oh, here. Let's see, templates. Maybe they don't call it that. Drag. Oh, no, this is it. Okay, a CSP thing, yeah. The content, okay, so this is what we have to learn in order to do this nicely. Okay. Okay, the content between the tags is considered to be part of the header file that needs to be referenced. Only the include statement can be written here, such as... Oh, okay, so that's how you get it. But many common header files are automatically included by Dragon, so the user basically does not use this tag. Everything between the C++ is treated as C++ code. Okay. So that's, okay, so that's like that, and you need to end the line there. C++ code is generally transferred to the target source file intact, except for the following two special tags. Double ampersand represents data variable passed by the controller, from which you can get the content you want to display. $$ represents a stream object containing the contents of the page, and the contents to be displayed can be displayed to the page using that operator. Okay. It's kind of weird. The content sandwiched between the double angle brackets is considered to be the variable name. The viewer will use the name as the key to find the corresponding variable from the data passed from the controller in its output of the page. He does, yeah. I agree. The view will use the same name as the key. So, okay. Basically, I have to make views. And that means we have to change our CMake file a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Let's make some view that displays... Oh, yeah, this is that. Okay. Well, at that point, we just do it as a static page. Yeah, no, we don't need this shit. No, we don't need this shit. All we need is just a static thing. So we probably don't even really need a controller for this bit. What we actually should do is just go to here, and do like a, give me a basic HTML. I know I have, yeah, here we go. There we go. Don't have CSS. We don't want any. Okay. And the body is here. Okay. So now we need a maybe we could just do the script thing here. Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay. So now this one has to open a WebSocket. Okay. A WebSocket to localhost. One word. In JavaScript. How do you do that? Add event listener. Oh, here we go. Nice. Okay, this is exactly listen for messages. So we can transfer it into as if it's a message. Okay, so it's just equals to new WebSocket. And of course, we give it to be WebSocket localhost colon, I think it's 5,000. Oh, I don't have it yet there. Okay, that's fine. Whew. Damn, 6,000 steps more to go. Shit. God damn. We're almost done. JavaScript doesn't need fucking things, right? So we'll do this kind of thing. Okay. So on connection start, we want, yep, we want to log that and send. We'll send it, client connected, OBS connected. Okay, cool. So that handles that. So when it opens, but we don't really technically need to use that. An event for errors and close. Yeah, we'll just do all of them. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Send for errors. Okay. All right, so we have a basic thing. Okay. So now, this is where we have to... Okay, so now we have to get... Okay, wait, I have to think about this. All right, so we have a static page. We can just... With JavaScript, we can probably, you know, like, find all the files there, or no? I don't know, actually. How would this happen? Now I'm not sure. Okay, think about this. Okay, so it's open. Okay, and then on the message, we need to document dot... No? Alright, in JavaScript, how do we get... Oh, it manages, we're sending a message. Okay. Socket.send message. Okay. I have to think about this for a bit. I need to, like, sit down off stream and, like, see how I want to do this. Because in reality, okay, well, let's just Google it. Get, find specific tag in JavaScript. Yeah, here we go. Get elements by tag name. Yeah, that's how it is. Get all of the A tags. The thing I'm wanting to avoid is to like have to manually hard code in those files. Okay. For now, let's just let's see. So the body. Okay. It'll just be like an audio tag, right? We don't want controls for it. Right? And then, let's see, audio tag HTML. Okay, yeah, you just pick the source and then you say what type it is. Okay. So then it would just be source. Whoa, you can put multiple of them there. Interesting. Maybe they get all like put into like a playlist or something. Source equals to sfx/coom dot wave, and then it will be a type equals to audio, or type is equal to audio/wave. Is that even the right path? Oh yeah, that's right. It would have to be in here. Okay. Okay, so it has that in there. Okay, so I had that symbolic link ready to go there. Okay, so now whenever they write a message, let's just say, what was it? It was like, you get the, yeah, here we go. Links. Document get elements by tag name. Okay. Get elements by tag name. An audio.play. You don't need semicolons. I forget about that. Okay. So something like this. Whew. Okay. Let's just get it to like connect in general. That will be the start. Okay, so now let's get Dragon. There is something we have to do, like configure it. I remember there was a little bit of main, not too much, very small amount, and the music stopped. That's weird. It just like keeps stopping. Very strange. Very weird. Okay. Very strange. All right, whatever. Oh yeah, Z sauce. That guy looks like Shinra. If you changed C++, what you did yesterday was for nothing? No, not necessarily. We got pretty deep into it. Like, I have it still saved. But, like, I probably won't end up using it just because of, like, how... Like, I know there's definitely a way to, like, do it right, but, like, then I'm just, like, going deeper into Python than I wanted to. Like, I wanted to use Python as, like, I don't have to think about this kind of thing. And in a small context, it's pretty easy to do that. But once you have, like, you need to have, like, 4 threads that are all running, like async IO shit, and then you need them all to like not necessarily communicate with each other, but I don't know, it just got like beyond what I was hoping for, and it's like at that point it's like, well, then just do it like here, you know. That makes more sense. Do I still have the config.json here? No. What the fuck? What? Wait, I am so confused. Oh. Is this it? No, this isn't it. No, it wasn't stream agent. It was stream... It was live stream utils. That's what it was. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh, hi, Drake. Fuck. Oh my god, dude. Okay, I'm pooped. I need a second here. Whew. Oh, that feels good. We're at basically 5,000 steps. Only 5,000 to go, and then we're done. Oh. Man, oh man. I'm pretty happy though, right now. I'm much more jazzed up by this. Python is not that bad, honestly, but I think like I'd rather use it in smaller capacities. I'm thinking, wait, maybe I should just do Golang. For like smaller scaled stuff. But at that point, it's just like, fuck it, just do everything C++. I need to become the master, dude. The master. Oh. Wow, it feels really good to sit. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Fat man problems. Okay. I need to suck it up and just fucking get back on it. Whew. I was on the wrong repo. Live. Okay, I was wondering. I was like, dude, there's some shit that's missing. I'm pretty sure I've done. Okay. Okay, I need a little bit of a break. I need to sit down, and we'll do the 5,000 steps afterwards. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay. Oh, that feels good. I'm not gonna lie. Holy cow. Okay, much better. Wow. Foot cam. We'll get back on the treadmill in a bit, but I need a sec to just fucking breathe. Okay, much better. Oh, that's a little too low. Thanks, man. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, that's so much easier. Okay. Okay, I feel jazzed up again. Alright, so... what I want is this. Okay, and then run. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, what's this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is how it is. Okay, so next step, it's to go to here. Oh, these were just the demo ones. Okay, let's delete those. We need a different one. I think for static content, however, I do want it to be dynamic, where we can just add shit. Or not Faye. Oh yeah. So this is the WebSocket thing. Let's say it's called SFX Listener or SFX WebSocket. Does that change the name of the file? No, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, let's just start from the beginning. Okay. This is just the one that it just sends back like a static. Yeah, okay, so static response. If it's just a static file, I think you just put it in there, and then in the config file, you do it here, right? That's it. Yeah, document root source app. So it's already serving this shit statically. These controllers don't really do anything right now. So we should go to this and put on JavaScript here. Whoa. Okay. Damn. I'm like low-key pretty pooped. It's 11:30 too. Huh. Okay. What should be done then? Yeah. Actually. Well, I mean, 3 hours is not that bad for a random one-off. There's some things I want to like figure out. I want to figure out what's happening with this mic. I also want to put this in a functional state before I actually give it to you. I might want to do some of this offline. You've motivated me to code till I get sleepy. What? Why didn't it render that? What the fuck? Okay, apparently my chat shit sucks too. Okay, maybe this bot is actually necessary. Yeah, see, like it just totally didn't render that. Fuck. Okay, now I'm pissed. All right, then if my chat thing isn't even working either, now that really like puts this into a different category of importance. This is important. We have to make this also the streaming overlay. The chat overlay, excuse me. Okay. All right. Well, I have some homework to do. You don't see it? Really? Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, my bad, Saul. It's fucking... Yeah, you can't rely on these third-party thingamajigs. Fuck. I mean, you can, but, like, you know, you end up in situations like that. Okay. Alright, well, in that case, everybody, I think I might chill here. I have a couple of things I need to do anyways tonight before sleeping. But I'll try to stream... Oh, wait, Peter's coming tomorrow. I may or may not stream tomorrow, but if anything, tomorrow I'll like basically these last two streams have been just testing to see if I can functionally do this coding stuff on stream. And I don't think I'm ready to like just do it like straight. There's some things I need to like hash out that I want to do seamlessly, and it's mostly knowledge gaps. I don't mind learning on stream, but you know, I don't also want to bore people with just like dealing with the fact that I don't know what the hell I'm doing at a lot of the time. So I'll like learn some shit off stream and come back. All right, well, you guys have a great night. Thanks for chilling. I'll talk to you soon, Shinra. When I have something legit, I will send it to you. But yeah. All right, well, you guys have a good night. Let's go raid somebody. Thanks, man. Yeah, no worries, man. This is cool. There's like a purpose to like what I'm trying to do now. It feels good. It feels real good. Cassie, she's live. Shenmue as well. Damn, okay, there's a lot of people. James is playing Tekken, as usual. I'm like low-key, I kinda feel like Shenmue might be the play here. It's been a while since we've raided oh, is it his birthday? Shit, if it's his birthday, man, let's go raid Seth. You guys know Seth. Seth's cool. Good dude. Cool dude. He's local. He does these Shenmue playthroughs like regularly too. But anyways, have a great night, you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. And yeah, peace, guys.